Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, DIYs, reviews, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from multiple stores, a couple different days this week. And yeah, I found a lot of good finds that I've been on the hunt for. So yeah, grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's get into it. So first off, by the Cook with Color, we have the classic spatula, and this is supposed to be a very good brand. So got a spatula, perfect for holiday time and cooking and stuff. So then I got the LED touchlight. These are amazing, and I know they're $1.50 now, but whenever I see them, I will get these. These are amazing. I have them in every room. So I got that. Then I got the water bottle stickers, waterproof. I forget which water bottle I got this for, but I got that. Then we got the Halls mini sugar-free lemon cough drops. These are great for travel and they're mini. So yeah, fantastic little find. Then I was super actually excited to find this, super random, but it's a magnetic whiteboard eraser. And I have a whiteboard as my calendar on my fridge, so I feel like this is a perfect little thing to have. I don't know, my mind is everywhere right now. Then by Ed Hardy, like Ed Hardy by Christian Aguilera, You'll Love Inked Fragrance Body Spray, Designer Imposters. So for $1.25, and this is how many ounces? I don't know. Oh, 2.5 ounces for $1.25. Hello, yes. So we got her, and I do like the smell of this too. It smells really good. Then got makeup brush. This is the Flat Top Foundation. I can't hype this up enough. I absolutely love this brush. And then we got the contour. So these brushes are fantastic. So these two are my top fave. So got those. Then we got some active elastics. I love these colors, and these do not yank out my hair, so I will always pick these up, especially when there's new designs. So we got these. Then we got some more of the 4-pack sheet face masks. So this one by Freeman is Brightening Candy Cane Cocoa. Like, that's so fun. And for $1.25 for 4 of them, yes. So we got the warm candy cane. And then we have the hydrating cranberry cider. And again, you get 4 in here for $1.25. So that's exciting. Then I found the new body washes by Spa Luxury Vanilla Ambient Scent body wash. So 10 ounces. We have the vanilla. We have the rose champagne and the sparkling berry. Okay, then we got this wallet. It was $1.50, but I think it's actually so nice for $1.50, so I wasn't mad about it, truly. But it looks like this, a flap for your license. Yeah, so I think it's super good quality for $1.50. So, smells kind of chemically, but hey. But we got that. Then, I got the stainless steel. How many do you get? You get 6 straws, 1 cleaning brush, 2 caps, and 6 tips. And yeah, these are perfect for iced coffees and just whatever. So I got these. Great find for $1.25. So, got those. Then, finally, I found the Purely Pistachio deodorant. I'm super excited. I did smell it in the store, this exact one, so I bought it, and I do love the smell, so we'll see how long it lasts on our pits. So, got that. Then, by Freeman, we got a 4-pack again, and this is the Bust Boosting and Toning Sheet Mask. So again, you get 4 in here, perfect gift-giving gift. And then we got the Thighs Sheet Mask, firming and soothing for your thighs, and again, you get 4. So, greatness. Then, by the Sophie brand, we have these hair, how many do you get? Scrunchies, you get 5 scrunchies, and I love the colors, especially this top one, so, got those. Then, by Sophie, we got these little hair spirals, you get 6 of them, they're like the thinner ones, love the colors, so I got that one. And then, Sophie is coming out with all the hair ties. These colors I love. So we got this set. And then we have more of the like mauve-y ones. So we got those. And these are perfect gifts. Like stocking stuffers are completed. And then these ones, I love these because they're like metallic. So we have that one. And then these ones, which these ones are so pretty. So we got those. Then we're not done with hair. Then we have these 3-piece hair clips. How cute are these? So you get 1 big one and 2 small ones. So we got that. Then our last hair thing is this. You get 100 elastics for $1.25. This is a snagging deal, snag deal, whatever the phrase is. This is a deal. Get this. So we got that. Then we got some skincare. The Global Beauty Care Rose collection. This is the Milky Facial Hydrator, Moisture and Refresh. So we got the spray, and then we got the serum. So I'm excited to try that. Then by Must Have Beauty, we got the Precision Contour Brush. I can't hype this up enough. Got that. And then the fan brush. The blush brush, which I'm excited to try. This one I just found. The blush brush. And the powder, which again I'm excited to try. But the foundation brush is phenomenal. So, got that. Then, an oldie but a goodie. This collection is creepily coming back. So, we got some oldies but some goodies restocks. Like, that just came back. So, we have the Lip Plumper Gloss in a black tie, which is just a clear glitter, which we know I love. And then we have the Nude Glow Shea Butter Lipstick Pearls and Parties. I love this. And then we got the Sparkle Red, which is a glitter red lip gloss lipstick. Then I got the Glow Up Contour in Fair Medium because I actually love this and I needed a restock and they're hard to find, so I snagged it real fast. Then, while we're on contour, got this Bronze Kiss Liquid Bronzer. I don't ever remember seeing Bronze Kiss. If it's new, comment. If it's old, comment. But I don't remember seeing it. So, I grabbed that to try because I do love the liquid things of that. Then, we have this LA Colors Color Illuminator Sheer Shimmer. Enhances features. So, it's a little highlighter, and it's a liquid highlighter, and I cannot wait to try this. I love to glow. So I'm excited. Then, oldie but a goodie, the blush in French Pink Stroke of Midnight. I love how pink this is. So, I'm going to try that. Then, finally, I found the new concealer. I cannot wait. So this is a camouflage liquid concealer in neutral light medium, and a caffeine long wearing lightweight buildable. So I'm super stoked that I found this and cannot wait to try it. So we got that. Then I don't know if this color is new, but it's a lip duo. Get the 2-in-1 gloss and lipstick, and the shade is Vibe, which it's definitely a vibe. So I'm super stoked for that. Then the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse. This is the blonde, but more looks brown. Like I have blonde brown eyebrows, so cannot wait to try that. Then new stuff. So we got the new Be Pure lip stains, and this is in Rosewood. And then we have Camilla, which I have in my purse, and let me tell you, it lasted all day long. So Camilla, and then Azalea. So there's 3 of those, and these are phenomenal already because I tried the other one, so love those. Then I found the LA Colors Sculpting Duo. So this is in Get Glowy, blendable cream and powder. So we have the duo, we have the cream and the powder, and again this is in Get Glowy, so it's kind of lighter. And then this is a tad darker, and this is Lit Within. And then this one is the darkest, but not like too dark, and this is So Sunkissed. And they also had one more, but it was way out of my color range, so I didn't even grab it. But these are the 3 that will fit my skin tone the best, so we got that. So definitely scored at those couple stores. Okay, last outfit change and last bag of this haul. So, first off, the food item. We got these Cinnamon Toast Crunch treats, but they were, where's the tag? On clearance for $1.25 instead of $3, $3.25 or whatever. These were $1.25. And you get how many in here? You get 8 of them. So, for $1.25, I think so. So we got that. Then I found the new hand sanitizers. So here's our 2 new cases, light pink and dark pink. I love those. And then the scents are strawberry cake and then cherry pie. I do like both, but definitely my favorite is the cherry pie. But cute. So got those. Are new. Then we got the Red Velvet body wash. So Red Velvet was sweet cherry oil and shea butter body wash. They did have the scrub and bath salts, but I didn't want either of those, so I did just get the body wash. So we got that. Then while we're in that, I did get the Spa Luxury Rose Champagne Bubble Bath. First off, can we just talk about the packaging for 1 second? Like the diamond. Hello. So I did get this. I'm going to try it out. We shall see. But I just love the packaging, honestly. So, got that. Then, by Beauty Intuition, we got this mask. It's collagen-infused facial mask, chocolate, and then the hyaluronic acid with the strawberry. How cute is that, actually? So, got that. And then, honestly, what I'm most excited for, finally, I got the EOS dupe. This is the Pro Silk 24-hour creamy cashmere body lotion. It smells amazing, and it's literally straight EOS dupe. I'm so stoked. 12 ounces, and this is $1.25. I'm so excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys have tried it. But we got that. Then I got the Marie Claire Natural Charm eyeshadow palette because there's only one glitter in here, and I can do matte eyeshadows. So I was like, perfect neutral colors. So I got that. Then I did get 2 face masks by Beauty Intuition. The Avocado You Complete Me avocado infused. How adorable is that? So we have that one. And then we have You Are My Main Squeeze, and it is vitamin C infused. These are adorable. So we got those. Then I just got a angled makeup brush with the case and a foundation brush for stocking stuffers. I can't hype these brushes up enough. I love them. Again, let me know if you guys have tried any of this. Okay, then we have some new lippies. So this is the Crystal Lip Gloss in Passion Fruit. Again, the whole crystal theme, I love what they're going for. So this is Passion Fruit. Then there is Honey. Yeah, Honey Infused Crystal Lip Gloss. Intense Hydration. So we have the Honey. And then the last one is just a clear vanilla. So vanilla, passion fruit, and honey with these crystal lip glosses. I love the packaging, so I hope they turn out good. Then the last couple things are, we have the new Ioni concealers, which I'm so excited for. So we have the Natural Light Medium, and Caffeine Long Wearing. So we have that shade, and then we have the Kohl Light, just because I couldn't figure out which shade, so just grab both. But I'm so excited to try these. But that is it. That was our last bag, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I definitely found some major good finds in this haul. So definitely comment down below what you guys are looking for, ask you guys on for, and don't forget to share the channel and definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss my videos.